Chris again. So we have this 2021 Ford Explorer. This is the ST model, which is a V6 with a turbo and a lot of bunch of stuff. So me personally, I own one of these, but I don't own this ST. I have the regular 4-cylinder, which I'm not happy with it, but this is nice. So everybody have different opinions. What you guys think? So pretty much what we did, only just matching the two front windows with the rear factory. Just two front ones with our nano carbon CXP, 18%. I'm gonna show you a little bit more of this car, man. It's really, I really like this. Super nice, beautiful interior. It has a huge panoramic sunroof as well. Some people don't like how the screen is. I don't think it's that bad. I like the little carbon accents and stuff like that, carbon fiber. All the way, man, really nice SUV. So there it goes, guys. So matching two front windows with the factory. Any questions, give us a call. Shop number 909-570-9954. Thank you.